Automation usually forces a choice: do everything by hand or trust a black box. FlowPilot is the third option: event-driven automation that is useful, transparent, and always accountable to you. This isn't a chatbot, it's a personal operations control center. At a glance, I see what happened, what FlowPilot completed, what needs my attention, and where human judgment is still required. I start with a standing order in plain language. Whenever I book travel, prepare the trip, but ask before messaging anyone. FlowPilot compiles that intent into a reusable rule instead of improvising every time. First, I simulate. Nothing is executed. FlowPilot classifies the sample, confirms the standing order matches, previews every proposed action, and assigns risk before touching a single connected app. Safety is part of planning, not an afterthought. Now a real event. Flight AA123 to Lisbon is confirmed. This can start from an email, or I can paste it manually. FlowPilot treats incoming content as untrusted, then extracts the event and its details. The result is inspectable, not hidden behind an animation. I see the source, event type, confidence, priority, and extracted entities. Sensitive values stay protected by default. Useful context without careless exposure. FlowPilot turns the event into a deterministic action graph. Organize the trip, prepare reminders and an itinerary, and separate safe work from consequential work. Every step shows its rationale, connector, and risk. The AI proposes. Policy decides what may proceed. The family message crosses the policy boundary, so execution pauses. Before approving, I see why it's asking, what information it uses, which connector it calls, and what will happen. Approval takes a second explicit confirmation. The user, not the model, has final authority. Back on the event, the approved step completes and the timeline records who did what and when. Failures can be retried, supported rights can be undone. FlowPilot doesn't just automate the happy path, it preserves the evidence to trust the outcome. That's FlowPilot. AI for interpretation, deterministic policy for safety, human approval for consequence, automation that stays visible, reversible where possible, and always accountable.